All right, so let's read this. There is newsroom here, enforcement notification compliance action. So there's a guy that didn't report his income according to the CRA, and now he owes over 2 million in fines. So over 2 million in fines and a conditional sentence for a Richmond man convicted of tax evasion in the real estate industry. So Richmond in BC, Canada. So the CRA announced today that Balkar Bular of Richmond, BC, was sentenced on December 19th in the Provincial Court of BC, Robson Square, to a conditional sentence order of 2 years less a day and was fined. Okay, so 2 years less a day and was fined a total of $2,153,394. That's a lot of money. Boulard pleaded guilty, on August 3rd, 2023, to one count of tax evasion under the Income Tax Act. The CRA investigation revealed that Boulard failed to report $7,485,246 in taxable income on his individual income tax return for the years 2011, 2012, and 2014. So what happened in 2020? In 2013, did he file correctly? And then it's like 2 years. That's 2 years. He didn't report. The next year he reported. What happened there? And then after that, he went back to his old ways. Okay, Boulard failed to report income from the assigned fees earned from flipping 14 properties between January 1st, 2011 to December 31st, 2014, thereby evading $2,153,394 in federal income taxes. Whoa, that's a lot of money he had to pay on that. How? That's a lot of money. $7 million. How was he thinking that you don't report $7 million and the CRA is not going to find out? That's a lot of money. All case-specific information above was obtained from the court records. Over the years, CRA has made a significant process in uncovering and addressing emerging areas of non-compliance through various enforcement action in the real estate sector. Learn more on how the CRA addressed non-compliance in the real estate sector. In addition to the court-imposed fine and or jail sentences, convicted taxpayers have to pay the full amount of tax owing, plus related interest and penalties assessed by the CRA. So the question is, could you do a interest or penalty waiver? Because this is for 2014, he has 10 years. And so he has until December 31st of this year to apply for a waiver on interest or penalties for that year, because it's a 10-year period to request that. Would they even grant it? Not sure. So he has to pay back the tax he owes and fees on top of that. So how much does he owe? So evading $2,153,394. This is what he was owed, and was fined. Okay, so he was fined exactly what he was owed. So he has to pay double. That's a lot of money. And that was years ago. Did he spend that money? Does he still has that? Plus the interest that's going to accumulate on that amount. Wow. All right. The CRA is dedicated to maintaining the integrity of Canada tax system, thereby contributing to the social and economic well-being of Canadians, the CRA continue to aggressively pursue tax evasion and false claim with all the tools available to it. The CRA works to make sure that individuals and businesses report all income earned and only claim benefit to which they are entitled to. They are entitled. So that important benefit program can be administered to those who need them. Any individual or businesses who underreport income or claim losses or benefit to which they are not entitled may have to repay the benefit amount and may be subject to other possible action. Yeah. It's better to just report, because if the CRA want to find you, you're going to pay. You're going to pay a lot. 2 million in fines. Woo. Wow. All right, so that was the CRA newsroom. He pleaded guilty, so now he has to pay back.